Hi guys, welcome back to another daily video where we go over problems from the AMC tests. And today we are looking at problem number 15 from the 2019 AMC 8. And as always, let's start by reading the question. Okay, so it says, on a beach, 50 people are wearing sunglasses and 35 are wearing caps. And some people are wearing both sunglasses and caps. So now if one of the people wearing a cap is selected at random, then the probability that this person is also wearing sunglasses is 2/5. And the question is, if instead someone wearing sunglasses was selected at random, what would the probability that the person is also wearing a cap be? Okay, so with this problem, just to get a general idea, we have some people at the beach, and the idea is that there's some that are wearing both sunglasses and caps, some wearing only sunglasses, and some wearing caps. So with this type of question, I always like to start with a Venn diagram because it's a good way to kind of look at two groups of data. So in this case, two groups of people where they overlap in some sort of category, right? So if we call the first circle sunglasses and the second one is caps. So the total is 50 people are wearing sunglasses and 35 are wearing caps. And they say some people are wearing both. So if we let X be the number of people that are wearing both sunglasses and caps, right? So if we write this down, X equals number of people wearing both, right? So we can fill out the rest of our Venn diagram because the total sunglasses has to add up to 50. So the people only wearing sunglasses is 50 minus X, right? Because then 50 minus X plus X equals 50. And then with caps, it's the same thing, but it's 35 in total. So if X are wearing both caps and sunglasses, 35 minus X are only wearing caps and not sunglasses. Okay, so now the question is, if one of the people wearing a cap is selected at random, the probability they're also wearing sunglasses is 2/5. So if we take this kind of sentence in two parts, then the first is we basically pick one of the people wearing a cap. Right? And how many is that? How many people are wearing caps? Well, we know that's 35, right? Just in general, there's 35 people wearing caps. And right now we don't care about sunglasses. And now next they say the probability that the person we picked is also wearing sunglasses, which means that this person that we picked would be part of this X category right here, right? Because they're saying he also wears sunglasses. So there's X people out of our 35 that are also wearing sunglasses. And now they tell us that this is equal to 2/5, right? So now we could just, this is not too hard to solve for, right? If we multiply both sides by 35, we get X equals 14, right? 35 divided by 5 is 7, 2 times 7 is 14. So we could kind of look at our Venn diagram again, but fill in our values because we know X is now 14, right? So let's just write 14. Now 50 minus X, 36. 35 minus 14, 21. So that means there are 36 people that are only wearing sunglasses, 21 only wearing caps, and then 14 are wearing both. So now for the final part of the question, they're asking us to randomly pick someone wearing sunglasses and find the probability they're also wearing a cap. So it's the same setup as before, but now we kind of reverse it. So they're saying that someone wearing sunglasses is selected at random. How many people are wearing sunglasses? Well, we know that's just 50, right? That's our denominator. And they're saying what's the probability they're also wearing a cap? Well, that's this 14 number right here, right? We already figured that out. So our answer would just be 14 over 50 because 14 is equal to both sunglasses and caps. 50 is just all of our sunglasses. So 14 over 50, we could simplify this to be 7 over 25. And this would be our final answer because they are asking for that probability, and we would be done. So that should be all for today's video. And as usual, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. And otherwise, if you enjoyed and found it helpful, make sure you drop a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Thanks to everyone for joining, and I'll see you again tomorrow.